Mommy, I want to go and see my friend. I'll be back soon. All right, go and come back. Remember to cook for me.
Excuse me, do you live around this area?
No, I'm just coming to see my friend.
Can I get your number?
On my way here, I met a guy. He stopped me and asked for my number. I know him. He's a good guy. I have to go home now. I need to cook for my mother. My dear, this food is very delicious. Mother, you're the one who taught me how to cook.
I know you are so impressed and you are so amazed with type of the video you just watch right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like that. In less than 1 minute, you can create something like that. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method which you can use Grok AI to create long form videos. Any video of your choice, you can use Grok AI to create long videos. So if that sounds so interesting to you, and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me go and show you how you can make that type of amazing video, long videos with Grok AI. Let's get started. So to create that kind of amazing video you just watched a moment ago, the first thing you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT. We'll be using ChatGPT to generate our video prompt. Now, as you can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. Here, this is what I gave to ChatGPT, my video idea. I said I want to generate a Nigerian movie using Grok AI. So I want you to write me a movie scene where a young Nigerian girl on her 20 was standing in a modern living room with her mother, and she said to her mother, I want to go and see my friend. I will be coming back. So all you just have to do is just to write your video idea, any idea of any video you want to create it. So I give all this idea to ChatGPT because I want my videos to look so nice. So I have to explain everything. Make sure you explain everything so that ChatGPT will know how to give you your video response and your prompt. So after that, ChatGPT gave me all this you are seeing right here. As you can see, this is all what ChatGPT gave to me. Now, as you can see everything here. Now, as you can see, it says, this is my first video scene. As you can see, this is the second scene, the third scene, the fourth scene. Every scene was separated according to the way I want it to be. Let me show you how I prompt everything. At the end of the video here, I say, please, each should be 6 seconds because Grok AI only generates 8-second video scene. Make it realistic movie, not 3D. So as you can see, that is what I stated here, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. My entire scene, next thing I have to go over to Grok AI. Previous video. So if you are coming to my channel for the first time and you don't know anything about Grok AI is an AI model, is an AI tool which you can generate image to video, and you can also generate videos. So this is what I generate with Grok AI. What you just have to do is just to register on Grok AI, and when you register on Grok AI, the next thing you have to do is to click on this image here, and when you click on image here, this is where we are going to start generating our video, our entire video scene. This is how we are going to start generating it, and I'm going to show you how you can also start creating the video so that it will look consistency without missing anything. Yes, without missing anything. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, after you come to this interface like this, when you click on imagine here, the first thing you have to do is to head over to back to ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT, we copy our first scene here. This is our first scene. So we copy from settings here, as you can see. We copy it here down. We click on copy, and after we click on copy, we go back to Grok AI. Now on Grok AI, we are going to paste it here, as you can see. But before that, make sure you set it here. You set your video ratio to 3.2, and also you set here to video so that it will be generating video for us. Now the next thing we are going to do is to paste the prompt we just copy here. Now after we pasting, just less than 1 minute, AI is going to generate our. So let's click on continue. Now we have clicked on continue. Let's just give it some minutes, less than 1 minute, and Grok AI is going to generate our video for us. So make sure you pay attention, because right now I'm going to show you how you can create the video to be long video so that it will not miss the part and it will not miss everything. I will show you how you are going to do it. So make sure you pay attention very well, because a lot of people just don't know how to do it. Our result here, as you can see, this is our result. Now the next thing we are going to do is to move this to the end of this video, so that the video will continue from where it stopped, because Grok AI only generates 6-second video and we want to generate over 1 minute video. So after you move this to the end of the video like this, the next thing you are going to do is to right click. After you click on right click on your laptop or your desktop, you copy. As you can see, say copy video frame. You click on that, and after you click on that, the next thing you are going to do is to move back. When you move back, you are going to paste what you just copy right now here again. You click on paste, and it's going to paste the frame which you just copy. You are going to paste it here. You click on You are going to paste it here. Now after you successfully paste it here, the next thing you are going to do, as you can see, this is the frame, so that the video will continue from where it stopped. Now the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. Now we copy our second video scene, which is here. As you can see, this is our scene 2. We tap on it and we click on copied. After we click on copy, we go back to Grok AI again. Now as you can see, and we paste our prompt here. We click on generate, and after we click on generate, it's going to generate the video for us in less than 1 minute, so that the video will continue from where it stopped. Now this is the second scene here where she walked out from the house. Now let me show you something so that you get it right. Now let's go back to the first scene we generated. Let's go back to the first scene so that you guys understand. Now this is the first scene we generated. This is the first scene we generated. You are going to see it right now. Now as you can see, when she talked to her mom and she walked away. Now as you can see, immediately when she talked to her mom, she walked away. Now you are going to see it right now, how it continued. Now let me show you the second scene here so that you understand what I mean. Now this is the second scene. You see where it starts, as you can see, where she walked away. Now the next thing you are going to do again, you use the same method to generate your third scene. And to generate the third scene, all you have to do is to move this to the last part. When you move it to the last part again, as you can see, then you click on that, you right click, and when you right click, you are going to see, you right click, you go to copy video frame, and when you go to copy video frame, you go back again. When you go back, you paste it here, the frame you copied right now, you paste it here. And after you paste it here, the next thing you are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. When you go back to ChatGPT, then you copy the third scene. As you can see, the third scene says drive in Lagos. So when you look at the third scene, it says setting busy street traffic, yellow boxes, downfall, roadside shops. She drives smoothly. So all you just have to do is just to copy it. When you copied, you go back to Grok AI. Now you paste it here and you click on generate, and it's going to generate the video from where it stopped. Now let's click on generate and see our result. Now this is our result. As you can see, this is our result. She come out from the house and she started driving. Now as you can see, this is our result. So this is how you are going to do all the scene, just the way I do a moment ago. Make sure you follow it and you are going to create the entire scene. That is the method I use to create all this video scene you are seeing here. As you can see, this is the method I use to create the whole video scene. So after you create everything together, you create the video scene, create everything together, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to any of your video editing tool. You can use CapCut, you can use inside any video editing tool you like using. Now I use CapCut to edit my videos together, and we head over to CapCut. All you just have to do is just to add all the video clip together, and you add your transition, any transition type you want. You add your transition, you edit the video, and after you edit the video is going to look nice. Now, let me show you the final result one more time.
Mommy, I want to go and see my friend. I'll be back soon. All right, go and come back. Remember to cook for me.
Excuse me, do you live around this area?
No, I'm just coming to see my friend.
Can I get your number?
On my way here, I met a guy. He stopped me and asked for my number. I know him. He's a good guy. I have to go home now. I need to cook for my mother. My dear, this food is very delicious. Mother, you're the one who taught me how to cook.
So that is how you can create that amazing videos. You have seen everything. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.